Okay, so with the male rat, he's an interesting little fellow. Okay, starting kind of up towards the top, you have your urinary bladder right here, and you have your lobes of your prostate right next to your urinary bladder. Should be a couple of them. Then right above your urinary bladder and in between your vesicular glands is your ampullary gland. It's right there. And you can trace from your ampullary gland down your ductus deferens, which is this, all the way to the tail of the epididymis. Going back up to your vesicular glands up here, you have your two vesicular glands, and on the kind of outside of them, there's a little part that you'll have to kind of dig away and discover that it's actually a different thing. That's your coagulating gland. So the smaller one's your coagulating gland. This one hasn't been removed yet, but see how you can see the connective tissue right around there? You have to kind of get under that and then lift it off. It's easier to do if you have tweezers. You don't want to take it completely off, you just want to lift it so you can see that they're two separate things. So vesicular gland, coagulating gland. Okay? Okay, so for the blood that's running to the testes, I know we're not going over circulation till next week, but this is an important thing. This is your piniform plexus. This is bringing the blood from the heart that's going down to the testes, but before it reaches the testes it needs to be cooled, otherwise it's going to kill all the sperm. So the artery is wrapped with a bunch of veins to cool the blood that's going to the testes. Okay, so then get down to your scrotum and your testes. The outside of it is called the scrotum, the one that actually still has some hair on it. Then as soon as you cut into it, you'll find that there's another sac. This is your cremasteric pouch. It's what holds the testy inside. So you can see how it's separated from the scrotum. That's a scrotum, that's a cremasteric pouch. The opening to your cremasteric pouch, right there, is called your inguinal canal. That's pretty much just the very opening of that is called your inguinal canal. Now as soon as you start coming down into it, down here, you're in the vaginal canal. And then what the testes is being held to the cremasteric pouch by is your mesorchium. It's this kind of clear material here. Not the long thing, that's your ductus deferens. The clear material. And as you come down, your clear material starts to get thickened up a little bit. And you see that little white ribbon right there? That's kind of running from the mesorchium across the tail of your epididymis to your testes. That's your gubernaculum. It's a fun word. I like the word gubernaculum. Okay. So then you have your tail of your epididymis. If you kind of pull your testes forward, you can see your body of your epididymis back here, which comes up to your head of your epididymis up here. And in between your head and your tail, you have your testes. And they're usually very nicely pink colored because there's a nice pink artery that runs back and forth across the testes. Okay. Then we get into the fun part, which is all the bulbs that are around the penis. This is your penis. Careful when you're cutting it because a lot of people have a tendency to cut the penis off. Then,
what is it? What is it? Hello.
This is the penis. It kind of has a little bend in it. Because this is penis, and then this is penis. And this is muscle. This guy has had most of the muscle disconnected, so it's just penis. So then, this is where, if you have a male, it's going to require some cleaning up to get to all the muscles and bulbs that are around the penis. But you want to make sure you clear everything away. And then discover that right on each side at the base of the penis is your bulbocavernosus muscle. And see how that splits right there? You have one right there and one right there. Right beneath your bulbocavernosus muscle on either side are your bulbs of your penis. And then if you come back a little bit over here, you have your ischiocavernosus muscle. There'll be one on the side, I just haven't cleaned it up as nicely. So ischiocavernosus muscle. And then to see your bulbourethral gland, you need to kind of come down, find out where the edge of your bulb of your penis is, come over and kind of pull it a little bit forward and pull your ischiocavernosus back a little bit, and then right down there is your bulbourethral gland. Okay? See the same thing on this guy. His has been cleaned out for a little bit longer, so he's a little drier. But ischiocavernosus, bulb of your penis, bulbourethral gland. Okay. Did I miss anything? Did gubernaculum, did